today's itinerary, we're going to Nami Island. The pickup time is 8:20, the shuttle. It's so cold right now, guys. That's why I used my puffer jacket na rin. It's 6 degrees Celsius dito sa Myeongdong. Medyo okay yung ano natin, yung punta natin sa Nami Island. Actually, this is our last day here in Korea. Diretso na kami ng airport, siguro mga 11 PM. Before magsara yung mga train station, especially the express to airport. So there, yeah. Going to exit 1. Exit 1 is here. So we'll check first landmark. Shuttle bus. We made it on time. That's our flag for Nami Island. Outfit check. Okay guys, the departure is 9 AM. Then, yung pabalik is 4:30 PM ng hapon. Yung schedule ng shuttle bus natin.
Salgo Albin. Yep, 감사합니다. But I think we've got the 4 more seats. If you have on the back side, there's 4 more seats. 저희 내좌석 조금 있으니까 편하게 앉으시려면 합니다.
Welcome to Nara Republic. Let's go. Since we have the ticket now, we can go to the immigration.
Okay. Thank you. Okay,
Thank you. Philippines #1. And number 1. We're currently here in the ferry going to Nara Island. Nami Water Park. This one is taking a picture of Kumusta ka? I'm fine, thank you. Hello, Madam Asu. Ciao. Did you take a picture of Kumusta ka?
Yeah, I took a video actually.
Yeah.
Zooming into Kamusta ka in Tagalog.
How are you? I'm
And
fine, thank
how
you.
are you in English?
Oh, may isa pang hello. Hello. Yan pa. Hello. Looks like a good idea. G. Yan. Let's go. Nara Republic of Korea. I'll follow you.
Group 1, Group 1. Group 1.
OA.
So, restaurants are in here. All you see the orange dots here are in restaurants. We are now at the entrance of Nami Island. So, Group 1, stay here. Group 1. Group 1.
Takayag ang puta.
Group 1, Group 1, stay here. Group 1, Group 1.
So guys, this is the map of Nami Island. There's a restaurant, some parks there, garden, some recommended courses. Actually, we can go with the recommended courses. Going to these lounges, rowing boat, and some cafe.
Group 1, follow me, follow me.
Ito naman si Mema.
Group 1, follow me.
Ito naman si Mema. Si tour guide do. Where's your flag then? Where's your flag?
Invisible
It's still in green. Hindi pa siya yellow actually. Pero sabi sa balita, fall na daw. Ayan naman ang kamusta natin. Kamusta. Ito siya dapat.
네 눈빛에 반짝여 알아줘 내 진심을 나의 마음 받아줘 내게 달려가고파 달콤한 사랑을
양이스미 예?
Ganda. It's so peaceful here. And the weather is so nice. It's currently 6 degrees. Schools Club.
아니 뭐 힘들 것도 없어.
Guys, ito pala yung famous. This is the famous fall scene here in Nami. Ito pa. Ang ganda dito. Pero ito rin, no? Pero lagas na yung mga puno. Look at that fountain, no? Diba? Ang ganda rin ito. Ano sino to? The Buddha is Buddhaing. Look at that Buddha. Papa Dad.
너와 나 둘이서 웃음 짓는 네 얼굴 내
The
마음이
balance.
꽃피워 네가 좋아서 그래
Iba lang tao.
수줍은 고백할래 네 눈빛에 반짝여 알아줘 내 진심을 나의 마음 받아줘 내게 달려가고파 달콤한 사랑을 너와 나 함께해 달콤한 이 순간 영원히 간직할래 모두 다 잊을게 너만 있으면 돼
Ganda rin ito, guys. Dami lang tao. Sino itong mga to? Ah, F4? Ay, hindi. So ito, guys. Itong sino to, ito daw siya. Ayan, saka to. Hindi ko sila kilala. Ganito siya pag snow. This one is pancake nila. Ang tawag dito?
Hotdog pancake.
Hotdog pancake daw.
It's a bean cake.
Ano pala oh, hotdog. Snowman pancake. Saan ang snowman dito? Okay, let's try this. Mmm. Sayang. Actually, masarap pala siya. Uy! Hindi ka pa mahulog. Okay, another one. Ice cream. We're going to get a vanilla ice cream. For 4,001. Let's see if masarap. Daw walang pila. Pero sarap ng coffee kanina, guys. As in, ang sarap ng coffee nila kanina. As well as the pancake. So hopefully masarap din yung ice cream dito sa namin. Ito naman yung view. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda. Ito paano na kami. Papunta na ulit sa port. Kasi it's already 3:30. And yung pick up namin is 4. Then yung bus is 4:25. So there. Pag nasa gitna ka, ang ganda oh. Diba? Tapos sobrang ano niya, sobrang labak pa niya. Ito may fall oh. Kita niyo yung fall. Oh, it's so nice. Diba? Saan lamig pa. Sarap maglakad-lakad. Huwag kang iiyak. Guys, we made it here in Nami Island. Currently, pauwi na kami sa port. Then, kasi yung bus namin is 4:30 dapat yung alis namin. And dapat nasa bus na kami by 4:25. So by 4 ngayon, malapit na mag 4. 3:30 na. Dapat punta na kami sa port para makapunta na kami sa mainland from Nami Island. Dito sa Nami Island. Trying this Nami Island snowman gelato for ice cream. Looks yum. Sobrang creamy niya from the looks of it pa lang. Yeah, masarap. So let's go guys. Let's go to the port. So guys, may train. So yun lang muna guys. Update ko kayo later bago kami umuwi sa Myeongdong. Bye Nami Island. Bye bye. Going to the bus now para bumalik sa Myeongdong. It's already, what time is it? 4:17. Currently 4:17 na. We should be at the bus at 4:25. Ganito yung situation ng bus na guys. We just booked a shuttle round trip through Klook. Pero yung nag-book sa amin is sa receptionist sa hotel namin. So we're just looking for our bus number 4116 ata. Guys, if you can see, dito sa taas may mga zipline kasi it's a way din to go to the island, to Nami Island through zipline. Pero ayun, siyempre mas mahal yan. Tapos mas convenient mas mabilis din siguro pag yung ferry. Kasi baka may pila din dun sa zipline natin. Zipline. Ito siya. Skyline Zip Wire. Pero pala siya kasama na na 360 camera habang nag-zipline ka. So there. Dito yung boarding gate. Then dyan din yung ticketing office nila. Going to Nami Island. Ayan guys, yung mga nakasalubong natin, mga galing yan dun sa ferry. Kasi most of the tourists, ferry talaga yung sinasakyan. Shopping tayo dito sa Skin 1004. There. I love the vibes here. Centella. Skin. Ang ganda ng vibes. Parang makakabili ka talaga pag pumasok ka dito. Uy! Bakit may pag ganito? Kaya na okay later.
Hen.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Trying this butter garlic shrimp as JM recommends. Ooh, look at that butter. Hashtag JM recommends.
What is here?
Ah, here. Buy it. Here?
No, thank you.
We have different sauces for only 10,000 won. Garlic shrimp, garlic butter shrimp. Grilled cheese. 감사합니다. This one is so good, guys. Pick up. Wow. The hall is just for 6.5, guys. Ano lang to? 200 pesos? To go cup? Additional pearl?
Yeah.
Hot or cold? Cold outside.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
하드와 영수증을 챙겨가세요.
Yan guys. Gongcha in Korea. The original country of Gongcha. Where Gongcha originated. Paano? Yan. Galing. Galing mo. Boom. Going to Incheon International Airport now, guys. Going to airport now. Guys, ang sarap nga pala nito. Para siyang milk melon. But it's worth the hype. Dito kami sa Nice to See You. Inubos lang namin yung laman ng T-card namin. And so far, na zero na namin by buying these breads. Sobrang sarap. Hashtag Alvin's recommend. Hashtag Alvin recommends. Joke. On the way back to Manila.